Hello again. Today we're going to learn all the Arabic we need to take a taxi and actually get to where we want to go. So let's first, a taxi in Arabic is a taxi in spoken Arabic. I want is baddi. I made a whole video on baddi. So baddi is a magic word. I want baddi taxi. Now, where do you want to go? بدي روح على بيروت. I want to go to Beirut. بدي روح على صيدا. I want to go to صيدا. بدي روح على مارينا. Now, if you want to go to a specific street, a street is شارع. شارع. I want to go بدي روح على بيروت شارع الحمراء. I want to go to Beirut حمراء street. Now let's get more specific. Let's say so بدي روح or بدي تاكسي على بيروت شارع الحمراء على اوتيل الماريوت for example, or حد اوتيل الماريوت. حد is next to or close to. Now to ask about the fare, how much it's gonna cost you. So you can say قد ايه, how much, قد ايه بدك مصاري, how much do you want money, how much money do you want. قد ايه بدك وقت, how much time do you want. قد ايه بدك مصاري, how much money do you want. So وقت is time and مصاري is money. So if I said بدي مصاري, it means I want money. بدي وقت, I need time, I want time. And of course you can say هلا for now. If the guy on the phone asks you هلا, it means now. You say yes, ايه, هلا. And of course you get into a taxi, you say مرحبا, means hello in Arabic, مرحبا. And before you leave you can say شكرا, thank you, مع السلامة, it means bye bye. That was it for this video. I strongly recommend that you check out the video I made where you learn essential Arabic in 2 minutes. These are the keywords like of course, thank you, tomorrow, now, later, and many more. Check it out.